G'day guys, it's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and we're coming to you today with yet another case study. This one is for a plumbing company in Sydney, and actually the client, they saw us presenting at a workshop in Sydney towards the end of last year, and they've been following us on our podcast, the Site Shed, and they reached out to us and asked us to help them I suppose, get a bit of traction with their website and to really just improve their overall branding. And they were a delight to work with. They really, the director of the company was really, really good at giving us information that we needed. And as a result, everything went really, really smoothly, as you'll see in this case study. You can head across to the siteshed.com and, to tradiewebguys.com.au, and you can check out our case studies if you want to have a look at some of the projects that we've done. And this is merely another one. However, so I just wanted to run through some things with you on this job. It was quite challenging in the sense of it had a lot of functionality, a lot of features, and it was from a design layout. The client did have a really good idea of what he was looking for, or the style at least. And so when we took that to our development team, we put some brainstorming ideas together and we mapped out what we thought would work well. And as a result, we've come up with this amazing looking website. And it's probably one of the best ones I think we've done, to be honest. So have a squeeze through. You can see here it's got all of the critical conversion elements like the click-to-call phone numbers, obviously scheduling a service, forms and all that kind of stuff. And all this integrates with his email marketing platform. We've cleared up all the navigation so that all of his services, and he's got all his coupons and all that kind of stuff, and they're all optimized for the search engines. And then as we scroll down, you can see the layout and the design of the website is absolutely beautiful. Lovely, crisp, clean icons that we've used all over the place there. And then this nice image which we purchased for the client, just to basically reflect this fact that he's in Sydney. There's content on there. All the content's been optimized for search engine purposes. And obviously there's Google Maps, all that kind of stuff that have been plugged into it. But as you can see, it really is a lovely looking website. It's very well designed, and it all functions very well across all devices, mobile, tablet, and of course the desktop. So if we head across to, I might just click on one of the service pages to have a look. What's one he's got here? I don't know. Let's go block drones. You're actually doing quite a lot of work here with the client from an on with website. He's doing some work actually with one of his with a marketing agency on optimization and things like that. So he's got a really good foundation here from which you can grow on. But you can see all the services pages are really nicely laid out as well, and with all your call to actions and things in the sidebar there, again with forms. So overall, yeah, look, he's really happy. And as I say, this project probably took us in the end, I reckon 3 to 3 weeks, maybe a little bit over. But the client was very good in giving us the information that we needed, and as a result, it turned out fantastically. So if you'd love a lovely website like this for yourselves and for your company, then head across to tradiewebguys.com.au/apply, fill in the form, and we will come back to you with some ideas. Okay, cool.